Hello students of class 7. In this is the last video of this Yangtze-Kiang basin. In the previous video I've explained about the half of the portion of the Yangtze-Kiang middle Yangtze-Kiang basin. So now I'm going to explain the rest of the portion in this video. Okay, so this Yangtze-Kiang basin is actually the greatest agricultural region of China also. Why? Because of the huge availability of vast fertile land, and also because of the availability of plenty of rainfall has favored the development of agriculture in this middle Yangtze-Kiang basin portion. Okay, this basin portion is also a multi-cropping zone. What is this multi-cropping zone means? Over here many numbers of many crops are grown, not only a single crop. Okay, so instead of single crop in this particular middle Yangtze-Kiang basin portion, instead of the single crop many crops are grown. That is why this region is known as the multi-cropping zone. So this middle Yangtze-Kiang basin river, or this basin, is actually a multi-cropping zone, which means over here a variety of crops are grown, not a single crop. Because over here a variety of crops grow instead of a single crop, that is why we called this Yangtze-Kiang basin zone as a multi-cropping zone. Here both the food crop, means those crop which are being produced for the purpose of feeding, we call them as the food crop, and the cash crop means those crops which are produced, which by selling we can actually earn money. We call those type of the crop as the cash crop. So in this Yangtze-Kiang basin both the food crops and the cash crops are grown, and it's not only a single food crop or a single cash crop, but it is a variety of the food crop and the cash crops are grown in this particular middle Yangtze-Kiang basin river. So Hunan is a place in China which is famous for the rice production, and this Hunan is also known as the rice bowl of China. Why this is known as the rice bowl of the China? Because in the Hunan the maximum production of the rice takes place. Okay, so in the Hunan province of China the maximum amount of this rice production takes place. That is why the Hunan is known as the rice bowl of China. Apart from rice, wheat is also grown over here, followed by the cotton, then potato, then tea and other vegetables. Okay, so this part of the basin produces the variety of crops in large amount. That is why this particular middle Yangtze-Kiang basin is known as the granary of China. Okay, so because in the middle Yangtze-Kiang basin, because of its suitable climate, because of the plenty of rainfall, because of the fertile alluvial soil, the maximum production of the maximum agriculture production takes place in this particular middle Yangtze-Kiang valley. That is why it is known as the granary of China. Okay, here both the cash crops and the food crops are different varieties of cash crop and different varieties of the food crops are produced, and as a result of that it is known as the granary of China. Next, it is the Yangtze Delta, which is the lower part of the Yangtze basin from Nanking to Shanghai. Okay, so this is the extension of this Yangtze Delta. So it is extending, means the lower portion of this Yangtze river is extension is from Nanking to Shanghai. In this low-lying plain, so this is the plain between this Nanking and the Shanghai. In the lower part of this basin, this plain is actually a low-lying plain with a wide number or wide varieties of canals, distributaries, okay, and over here many low-lying regions are also present, marshes and waterlogged areas was present, which was these waterlogged regions were later reclaimed by making dikes and dams, and as a result of that this is known as the polder land of, it is also known as the Holland of China also. Okay, so the crops that is dominant over here in this total Yangtze-Kiang basin region is actually rice, which is being followed by other crops like this cotton, tobacco, etc. Then the silkworms are also reared over here, and fishing is also one of the important means of living. Shanghai is the largest city and also the largest port of China. So with this your chapter is ended, and this is also the end of this video. Thank you everyone.